Membership. Membership. A membership card gives you access to all floors. A membership card gives you access to all floors. Agency. Agency. She works for a translation agency in Shinjuku. She works for a translation agency in Shinjuku. Performance. Performance. His performance at work has really improved. His performance at work has really improved. Award. Award. She received an award for her work in sales. She received an award for her work in sales. Clothing. Clothing. They sell both casual and formal clothing here. They sell both casual and formal clothing here. Increase. Increase. Sales increased by 20% last quarter. Sales increased by 20% last quarter. Advertising. Advertising. The advertising campaign starts next Monday. The advertising campaign starts next Monday. Charge. Charge. They charge a fee for cancellations. They charge a fee for cancellations. Expect. Expect. We expect the package to arrive by Thursday. We expect the package to arrive by Thursday. Firm. Firm. She joined a law firm in Tokyo after graduation. She joined a law firm in Tokyo after graduation.